Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I wanted to share some outgoing happy birthday mail that I am sending to Sharon over at Cheap to Chic. Hey Sharon, I hope you enjoy your package. Let's dive right in. I'm going to show you what I'm sending her and I'm going to do a package with me and we're going to try and fit it all in the bubble mailer. The first thing that I'm sending is I have this clear zipper pouch. This is what is going inside of it. Sharon and I always talk and I always tell her about how I have such like old stash and she is more new to paper crafting. So I decided to go through my supplies and pull out some of my older supplies to send her way so she would have some of the old stuff. This is a Making Memories ribbon set. Hopefully she will like that. This is from 2005. I love when they put dates on their products. This was gifted to me in some Happy Mail, and I already have this stamp set, so I'm going to go ahead and pass this one along and gift it to her. Hopefully she will like that. We have some of these old style dollar store vintage lace stickers, some more Making Memories. These are the label Fetty stickers. A lot of cute sentiments on there. These are from 2008. And these are some color box stickers. They used to sell these at Target long ago. I have a duplicate set of this, so I'm passing this along. This set of stickers, and these are the old Provo Craft stickers. I have some ephemera pieces in here, some black and white chipboard, as well as some flowers. This was the old K & Company jelly pieces. Put those in there as well. The Making Memory picture frames. These are great for cards as well as scrapbooks. Hopefully she can find a fun use for these. I'm also sending her, back in the day, this Studio G heart washi was all the rage and super hard to find, but I had an extra one, so I'm going to gift her that. I'm sending her some Action Wobbles. These are the originals. Hopefully she will have some fun using those on her projects. And this is a envelope that I made with the die that I will be sending her. And we were testing to see what it looked like. And so I'm just sending her what it looked like. So I'm going to fit that back in here as well. And that's it for this zipper pouch. And that is all good to go. While I was organizing my craft room, and I kind of already stuck this in the wrapper, I came across the envelope square from the Sizzix. This is the Bigs die, and there's the envelope punch out. While I was cleaning my craft room and organizing it, I realized I had two of the same, and so I am gifting this to her. I think she will have fun with this. This is one of my favorite dies. And this paper doesn't fit it exactly, but that's okay. I'm sure she's not going to mind my terrible wrapping. There we go. I just used some scrapbooking paper on that. So we have this envelope die. I also had some duplicate. These are one of the original Provo Craft dies. This makes the birthday cake. So that's the birthday cake, and this is the layer. And then I had two of these stamped ones, the stamp image. So I am going to pass these on to her so she can have some old stash in her supplies. So I'm going to send that off. I'm putting them in this little bag so that they don't get lost in the bottom of my package. Super fun. She had inquired on one of my videos about how I made a snap on one of my envelopes, and the craft hoarder that I am, I actually had a duplicate. I had a spare just in case my other one broke, but I know my other one is not going to break. And so I am sending her this as well. To go with that, to get her started, I am sending her the snaps. I only had two colors. I had a bigger bag of white and a small bag of pink. So I'm sharing some of the button snaps so she can start her projects right away. I decided to make her a pocket letter for her birthday. So here it is. I used a happy birthday paper pad, and I went through my stash of happy birthday ephemera. I made a sequin mix in the middle, and I used my fuse tool to fuse it closed so nothing comes out. This is hard to show here. So we have that one, the sequin mix, that one. And we have down here the last row. On the side, I used washi tape, and I made this little trim using a pear pin. I stuck it through the side and added some fun trims that match the papers. On the back, I shared some goodies. We have some big eyelets, some square-shaped clips, handmade enamel dots, star brads, bubble circles, butterfly stickers, clips, and some trim. I do have a video that's coming out on a tips and tricks on what to put inside Happy Mail and pocket letters. That will be coming out. It may already be out. If it is, I will link it above. This is the pocket letter that I am gifting her. And the last thing I'm going to try and squeeze in this bag is that I just had a birthday, and these were the favors at my party. They are all the candy that was out the year that I was born. So I am going to squeeze this into her package so she can enjoy some of these sweets. Sharon, I hope you enjoy the package that I'm sending you. Let's go ahead and get this packaged and ready for the mail.